Now that we know what the product is that we're going to be supplying, who our customer is, and who is going to be giving us the product, let's look at a supply chain in general and understand the journey that a product takes to go from raw material to manufacturing to our final customer. So looking at the graphic in front of you, you can see that products will start with a raw material or source material that's used to create the product or manufacture it. That raw material will be sent into manufacturing, which will make the product and then be subject to quality assurance. After making sure the product is up to specs, up to quality, it will be packaged and sent to a supplier or even a middleman wholesaler. In the case of buying a product directly from a supplier, we won't be dealing with the manufacturing section, but we should be aware of those sections to understand what are the risks that might be involved with our own supplier's supply chain. So after we place our order, our supplier will send the product to ourselves through shipping, freight, which could be either sea freight, land freight, even air freight, and get the product into our warehouse. Once we have that product in our warehouse, we do have customers or wholesalers that will be placing orders through our website or even on the phone and pay for that product through a transaction online. We get that order, it's sent to our warehouse for picking and packing, and that product is then sent over to the customer and has the journey of either going through a small pack or even palletized and sent on land to our final customer. So that's the general supply chain that a product can take, going from manufacturing to a general supplier to our warehouse, and then also going from our warehouse to the final customer. Let's look at your specific supply chain now and understand what are the risks that might be involved and how can we mitigate those risks over time, and what are strategies we can take to really build a strong, established supply chain and have a long-lasting e-commerce business.